Hello friends, this is your CryptoSats again. So I have come with a Bitcoin update, a quick Bitcoin update. So what can we expect? And so right now, Bitcoin. So oh, so so right now, Bitcoin is like in my perspective, in Elliott wave perspective, it's in a correction mode. So which is we have an WXY stylish correction. So in that correction, we have completed the W wave, and currently we are proceeding towards our X wave, which could retrace up to zero point 0.5 or 0.618 Fib ratios. And so something like this. So we have completed the W wave. So to complete the X wave, we are moving on ABC correction. So in that ABC, B wave is our triangle. So it's somewhat like a symmetrical triangle, which is we have an A, B, C, D, and E. So rightfully, hopefully, it has completed the trade right now. I mean, completed the B wave. Sorry. So we are moving to the C wave, which is around either 0.5 or 0.618. So we have many confluence out there. So one is this trend line, which has been trading right now. So one is this trend line. So it gives us a nice confluence of resistance over here, and we have a strong resistance over out this range, and also 0.618. So there are a lot of confluence for the price to go up, reject here, and again move its way to this support range, which is around 8,700 to 8,500. So in this range, Bitcoin could see a bounce. So in this range, so this support, which is a monthly support, has very good been respected, like you can see here, here. So we have a nice support out there. So price will bounce off from here and start to moving up, which and start to move up from here after this correction is complete. So this might have, so seeing this, this is not a good chart pattern. So as of now, this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin. So a push to the upside around 9,700 to 9,900 range, and again then a push down around 8,500 range to 8,700 range, and again a move to the upside. So on the resistance, on the other side resistance, we have one is a strong resistance around $10,172 range, and next resistance is around 10,500. Obviously it is a psychologically big resistance. If that breaks, and next resistance we have around 10,851. If that clears, so we are ready to move around $13,700 range. So resistance, we have two resistance to break as of now, and support, we have a lot of supports, so lot of support zones. So nothing to worry, Bitcoin is still in uptrend. So if you have long, don't worry, just hold your positions. So this is what I'm looking, and in my Relight channel we are already long. So we are waiting for our targets to hit around this region. So targets are given, so once it hits, we'll open a short for the targets over this range. So my open positions as of now is portfolio. So I am, so 20, sorry, where is it? Yeah, I am 20 BTC long at 9,407, and just for dollar cost averaging, I have again long 10 BTC around around 9,380, and hopefully my target hits. So let's see what happens. So that's it for now, guys. So hope you all like this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll bring you weekly videos on Bitcoin and Forex. Thank you. Have a nice day.